Acne is probably the most common skin issue, with about 80% of people who are aged between 11 and 30 dealing with acne at some point. Today's video will discuss acne scar treatment with baking soda. If you are new to Remedies One channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. How does baking soda work for acne? 1. Now that we've established that baking soda is a safe ingredient to use on your skin, let's look at the benefits it offers when it comes to dealing with acne. 2. Baking soda has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe swelling and redness. It not only helps calm down flare-ups, but also soothes rashes, irritation, and sunburn. 3. Baking soda is a physical exfoliant. It has fine particles that effectively dislodge dirt and dead skin from your pores. It also causes relatively less irritation than most exfoliators while being more efficient. 4. Using this ingredient not only helps fight and prevent acne, but it also fades acne scars and pigmentation. 5. Baking soda helps absorb the excess oil from your skin. This, in turn, dries out the pimples and blemishes, helping them heal faster. 6. A baking soda paste, which is usually used on the skin, is alkaline in nature. This helps because your skin becomes excessively acidic during a breakout. Baking soda helps solve this problem by neutralizing the pH levels of your skin. How to use baking soda for acne. 1. Baking soda for acne. You will need 2 tablespoons baking soda, 2 tablespoons water, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Prep time 2 minutes, treatment time 15 minutes. Method 1. Mix the baking soda with some water to get a smooth paste. 2. Wash your face with a cleanser and pat dry. 3. Apply the paste onto all of the affected areas as you would a spot treatment. 4. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then rinse off with cool or lukewarm water. 5. Finish by applying moisturizer. How often? On alternate days. Why this works? This baking soda spot treatment helps neutralize the pH of your skin and removes the dirt and dead skin. It also dries off the pimples, shrinking them and allowing them to heal faster. Have you ever tried this method for acne scar treatment? Let me know in our comments section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.